Let's see how to connect a Sony camera to a computer via Wi-Fi. Now go to your laptop. Download Imaging Edge desktop software. Now install this software on your device. Accept the software agreement now. Download additional software. Accept the software agreement now. Now go to your Sony camera. Connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Make sure the laptop and camera are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now select your Wi-Fi and enter your Wi-Fi password. Then go to the network option. Then click Access Auth and Info. Now, have a username and password. Remember this. Now go to the computer software, then click on Remote. This is your camera model. Double-click here. Then enter the username and password from the camera. Then click OK. Now connect your camera. If you take a picture, it will show up on your laptop. You can access the camera's live view and take a picture.